Hello again. Now let's talk about tuples in Python. A tuple is a sequence of immutable Python objects, meaning they cannot be changed after they are created. Tuples are similar to lists, but unlike lists, they are enclosed in parentheses instead of square brackets. Creating a tuple is simple. You just have to enclose the values in parentheses. Let's see an example. In our Python project, I will create new Python file, name it tuple. Okay, and in the first line, I will define my tuple. Okay, in the second line, I will print tuple. Let's try to run our Python code. And yes, we can see the output 1, 2, apple, banana.